In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix can't install TikTok on Google Play Store. So if you're not being able to install the TikTok, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to install the TikTok, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache of the Google Play Store. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. Also try to check the storage and uninstall other application in order to free up the space for TikTok. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Play Store. Simply launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Find this option for settings and tap on it. Now tap on this option about. Now what you have to do is find this option for Play Store version and tap on this option update Play Store. Now once the Play Store has been updated, try installing the TikTok and your problem should be solved. But if the TikTok is still not being installed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Or you can also try installing it from the browser. For that, launch open any browser of your choice. Now tap on the search bar and type in TikTok. Search for it. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the link provided by Google Play and tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the install option and it will be installed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix TikTok not installed on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.